Hi, it's Adrienne, and the first fake tan of the summer is here, and I'm really enjoying it. And my look, and I got a new dress from Shein. It's actually a cover up, but since it isn't sheer, I'm going to use it as a dress. And so I thought we'd get started. It's kind of difficult, especially if you haven't used a tanning product before, to go ahead and match your older foundation, especially the ones that you use in the wintertime. I was lucky with this one that I had a couple of ones that matched close enough, but you can always go over to the drugstore and find one of the really big lines like the L'Oreal True Match. They have over 50 shades, so you can usually find a shade match there. This time I got lucky though. I did go ahead and use the e.l.f. the Halo Glow in shade 1, and then the Pretty Fresh Tint in Neutral 8, and I went ahead and mixed these, and it got me close enough that I don't have that really big line because I did take the self tanner up further, but it doesn't stay on the face because you wash your face so much. So these two worked really well for me today. And then as far as the blush today, I went ahead and used the Toni blush for the liquid part, and that is actually from Dollar Store. And I have a couple of Dollar Store products in here today. I also did go ahead and use the Papaya blush, and this one's by Colourpop. And so this one is really pretty as well. It's one of my favorite summertime blushes. And having some slight technical problems today, but I think we were talking about Papaya and how it is one of my favorite Colourpop blushes ever. And it always makes me feel like summertime, so that's what I went ahead and used on the cheeks. I got out my, let's see, this is the Underland Moonlight Madness, and this is going to be the highlighter. It's from Ensley Rain, and so it is all glitter. And so I did go ahead and put that on. I went ahead and used the L'Oreal Lumi stick with it. So I went ahead and used the balm across the top of my cheekbone, and then I went ahead and put the highlighter on top of that. And the balm goes ahead and keeps all the glitter in one place so it's not moving around your whole face. I did get out my new Morphe. And for my finishing powder, I used the Cloud Light in Sunrise. And so I have been using the Dawn one, but I got this as a backup for the summertime so I could do the bronzy looks and, you know, have a little bit more bronze. And as far as lips today, went ahead and used the NYX lip liner, and then I added another, well, this is a BPure product. It's the lip gloss, so these are what I have on there, and I did add in the e.l.f. lip oil as well. So that's what I got there. And as you can see, I was going for a really, really warm look. So, of course, when you want a really warm look, you have to get out a warm palette. And in this case, I got out New Moon by Colourpop, and I think this is just gorgeous. And I would call it a sunset palette because it just has so many pretty golds and bronzes in it. I did go ahead and use this shade, and I used it from here to here, and then from here to here. And so it's really my highlight shade. It does have a little flip of green and gold in it, so it's really pretty. I used this one on the crease, and then I used some of this, which is one of their glitter shades, on the crease as well. Did go ahead and use this really pretty gold right on the inner corner to about halfway, and then I went ahead and used this pewter color the rest of the way over. And I did go ahead and use this as my eyeliner today, and I think the look turned out really pretty. This is how it looks. So I think we came up with a really bronzy sunset kind of fun look for going out during the summertime. And I really wanted to do that because this is actually a new dress. I got it over at Shein, and I just thought that it was really pretty. I wanted to go ahead and put it with, something fun that would be fun for a night out. And here, let's see, I have the Essence Make Me Brow here. And then I also have the Lash Without Limits, which are my staples, which I did go ahead and use in this look. And I'll go ahead and stand up and show you the dress, or at least as much of it as I can. It actually goes down right above the knee, and I just thought it was so fun. I think it was actually set up to be more of a swim, cover up kind of thing, but it's not translucent and it's just fun. So I think it would be fun as a dress. So this is what it looks. So the actual, let's see, tanner that I used today was the Bondi Sands, the olive tone. And so this is the one. I had actually gotten an email from the owner of Bondi Sands when I was using the purple, or the one in the purple. And that one is for really, really fair. And they were saying that they thought that I could go ahead and use their olive tone. So I did go ahead and pick up their olive tone. I'm not sure what I think of it yet, but I think probably I'll like it. So that was the video, and I hope that you have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye.